We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star review. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.